All right, how can I determine exterior angle measures in convex polygons? Whoever's tapping or making that, can you stop, please? How can I determine exterior angle measures in convex polygons? So let's define an exterior angle. An exterior angle is formed by the extension of a side and an adjacent side. Let's say its and its adjacent side. Okay, exterior angles formed by the extension of a side and its adjacent side. So let's draw a picture of it. Let's see, let's go here, here, all right, triangle ABC. Bless you. Extending each side in one direction. Okay? Extending each side in one direction. If you look at vertex, if this vertex B right here, okay? We've extended side CB and its adjacent side. We'll call this right here angle 1. All right? If we extend side BA and its adjacent side, we'll call that angle 2. And if you extend side AC and its adjacent side, we'll call that angle 3. And angles 1, 2, and 3 are exterior angles. Bless you. Each exterior angle forms a linear pair with its corresponding interior angle. Each exterior angle forms a linear pair with its corresponding interior angle. What that means is that angle 3 right here is an exterior angle. Its corresponding interior angle is right here. All right, it's the It's the interior angle that's next to it. Well, these two form a linear pair, don't they? Okay? Angle 1 is an exterior angle. Its corresponding interior angle is right next to it. And these two form a linear pair. And then you got angle 2. And its corresponding interior angle is right next to it. And these two will form a linear pair. Okay? Any questions so far? Let's draw one more picture. Let's go with a 5-sided shape. And you need a kind of a long line. Let me get that black. You need kind of a long line here. And now, go past the line. 2. Ready? Pass the line down here. 3. Start below the line and go vertical. 4. And then close to horizontal across the top. So now you've got an extension in both directions of each side, right? You've got an extension in both directions of each side. So let's number the exterior angles here and make sure that you're real clear on what is and what is not an exterior angle. Okay? Let's go angle 1 and angle 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, angle 7 and angle 8, and then you got 9 and you got 10. Those are all exterior angles, okay? They are all formed by the extension of a side and an adjacent side. Clear? 1 through 10 are all exterior angles. The angles with a little star, this one, these 5 angles, okay, make sure that you understand why those 5 angles, okay, these are not exterior angles. All right, the angles with a star, those are not exterior angles. They're not formed by the extension of a side and its adjacent side. All right? This angle right here between 5 and 6, the angle adjacent to 5, is formed by the extension of a side and an extension of another side. Okay? That's not an exterior angle. All right? The angle that is adjacent to angle 8, this angle, is not an exterior angle. It's formed by the extension of 2 sides. 7 is formed by the extension of a side and a side. 8 is formed by the extension of a side and a side. All right, so 7 and 8 are exterior angles, but the angle there with a star is not. Clear? Questions? Okay, write this down. The sum of the exterior angle measures one at each vertex is 360 degrees for all convex polygons. The sum of the exterior angle measures. one at each vertex, is 360 degrees for all convex polygons. And let's try to clear up maybe a little review of convex and concave. Convex. Okay. Concave. See the difference? I always remembered it as concave. One of the sides looks like it's caved in. Okay? One of the sides looks like it's caved in. Alright, so let's get back to what you're going to be doing today. First part of the assignment, you're going to be asked to find each exterior angle measure. For the following. If you're asked to find each exterior angle measure for the following, and you're given a regular, let's say you're given a regular octagon. Regular means that all the interior angles are the same. All the sides are the same. So, in order to find each exterior angle measure for a regular octagon, you take 360 degrees, which is the sum of all the angle measures, and you divide it by the number of sides, which is 8. So 360, if you take 360 and divide it by 8, you get 45 degrees. So each exterior angle measure at a regular octagon, that's one at each vertex, is 45 degrees. If you're asked to find each angle measure of a regular 12-gon, you would take 360 degrees and you'd divide it by 12. Good. So each exterior angle measure, one at each vertex, would be 30 degrees. Any questions there? The second part of your assignment, you'll be given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a pentagon, so we're going to go here, here. And this picture is on the top of 397 if you want to look at it. You're going to be asked to find the value of x, and typically they're going to ask you to find each angle measure. Find the value of x and each angle measure, and you get 2x minus 5, 3x plus 10, 6x minus 5, 2x and 5x. Five-sided shape. You got 5 exterior angles, and you're going to be asked to find the value of x, or you're going to be asked to find each angle measure. What do these 5 exterior angles have to add up to? 360. Exterior angles of all polygons sum 360. So, the combination of all these exterior angles has to equal 360. So you got 3x and 6x is 9x and 2x, 11x and 5x, 16x and 2 more, 18x. And now you got to combine well, they made this easy. You got a -5 and a -5 is -10 plus 10. Back to 0, aren't you? All right, so 18x equals 360. If you divide each side by 18, then x is equal to 360 divided by 18, 20. So x is equal to 20. So 2 times x. This exterior angle would be equal to 40 degrees. 5 times x, 100 degrees. 2 times x again is 40 minus 5, 35 degrees. 3 times x, 60 plus 10, 70 degrees. 6 times 20, 120 minus 5, 115 degrees. All right, so there's your value of x, and there's each exterior angle measure. Anybody have any questions on exterior angle measures? All right, today I'm going to give you an assignment where it's predominantly going to be exterior angle measures, but I'm going to slip in some that are interior angle measures. So please make sure that you read the directions. Don't assume everything is exterior. Okay? I'm going to mix in a couple problems like what you did yesterday where you have to find some interior angle measures. So your assignment for today is going to start on page 398. 8 through 11. (21) through 24. And then on the next page, 30 through 37. Make sure that you answer your focus question. And check Headline for homework.